So what we'll be doing today is replacing the navigation cover from obviously a carbon fiber finish to a forged carbon fiber. To remove the navi cover, all you need is a blow dryer for some heat and one of these plastic pry bars. I'm going to start from the edges and work my way to the middle and onto the other corner. And the same steps will be followed for the coin tray down here. So now that everything has been removed, we're just gonna go ahead and clean all the surface, get all the excess tape off, and we can continue with the install. Well, there's the finished product. Took me about 15-20 minutes to do the navigation cover and coin tray. That was with having to remove the carbon fiber ones and replacing it with the new forged ones. If you don't have to take this step, you can probably knock this out within 5-6 minutes. Very easy install, goes very fast. As you can see, quality is amazing. The finish is very nice. Very well worth getting the forged carbon fiber.